In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily change colors in Adobe Premiere Pro, just like what you're seeing on screen. Make sure to watch until the end for the best results. To get started, drag your video onto the timeline. Go to the Object Mask tool and select the clothing. If it accidentally selects the face or skin, simply click the minus symbol, icon and highlight the face and neck to remove them from the selection. Next, head over to Effect Controls and track the mask both forward and backward. Once tracking is complete, open the Effects panel, search for Lumetri Color, and apply it to your clip. You can temporarily hide the mask path by setting the view mode to none. Now, go back to Effect Controls and open the HSL Secondary section under Lumetri Color. Under Set Color, select the Eyedropper tool and left-click on the clothing color you selected earlier. Next, scroll down to the color wheels. Here, you can adjust the hues using the 3 color wheels to get your desired look. I'll pick a few colors and set keyframes every few seconds to create a smooth transition. You can also fine-tune the brightness using the highlights and shadows sliders. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tutorials.